Wild dog!
There's a dog coming! Oh my god! Here.
Shit, put the ammo down. Put the ammo down. Fuck. Wait, dude, there's a dog! There's a dog! Don't come and get me. There's a dog. No, don't shoot the dog, idiots.
Where's that? Hold on.
Don't shoot the dog. If you guys shoot the dog, I'm gonna kill you. Don't touch the dog. Don't touch the dog. No one touch it. No one touch it. Someone must have just lost it, dude. I'm gonna go get it.
Dude, hold on.
No.
Hold on, no, leave it. Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming. There's like a...
So there's a dog coming. We're sitting here loading our ammo.
Alright, I'm gonna go check.
Where the fuck is it at?
Don't shoot it. Don't bring any guns.
If anybody fucking touches the dog, guess what? I'm gonna kick them.
Don't come back. Did you get your dog?
You looking for a dog? Did it leave? Stop wasting your ammo. Yo, he went the other way. Yeah, go back to your base. Yeah, I know. I was like, holy shit. Wait,
Shut up! Shut the fuck up, you dumbass.
I hear it.
What the fuck is moving down that hill, dude? Yo, guys, there's something moving down that hill. Guys, get in the bunker, dude. There's something moving down the hill. Right down there.
Oh, I hear.
Shit, dude. Where's that? Shut up.
Yo. Wait a second. No, dude, there's someone like yelling at it, and I hear the dog biting and shit. Hear it?
Dude, holy fuck.
What if it's like a rabid dog?
Guys, here. Here. I will show you what. There's something moving down there.
Put your guns down. You don't need them right now.
Guys, be quiet. Guys. Alright, so everyone's hearing a dog like being fucking raped. Hold on.
I'm gonna go check it out.
Shut up, dude. No. Only 2 people were... Yo, don't forget your M4.
Alright, I don't need it. No one touch the ammo or the M4s. Jake, if it starts chasing you, do something. Wait, shh. Just stop moving. Yeah. Who's whistling? Oh, wow. Yeah, we're good.